In this particular problem, the figure shows variation of components of acceleration of a particle of mass 1 kg and their variation of acceleration with respect to time is given. The initial velocity of the particle is given to be minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. Initial velocity of the particle is given to be minus 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. This is the initial velocity of the particle. Now we need to find the total work done by the resultant force on the particle in an interval from t is equal to 0 to t equal to 4 seconds. So between t is equal to 0 to 4, we need to find the work done by the forces. As it can be seen from this particular relation, here acceleration versus time graph has a positive slope 37 degree. So I can write Ax is equal to tan 37 into t or 3 by 4t. This is acceleration along x-axis, and for y-axis it can be written as ay is equal to minus 1 minus tan 37 into t, that is equal to minus 1 minus 3 by 4t. So as we already know, Ax is equal to dvx by dt. So here from we can write Vx to be equal to integration 3 by 4t dt from some initial value to initial x component to final x component, or that is from time t is equal to 0 to t, and this is integration dvx from initial x component of velocity to final x component of velocity. And here from we can write Vx minus Ux is equal to 3 by 4 into half t square or 3 by 8 t square, or here from it can be written as Vx to be equal to x component of initial velocity is minus 3, so it is minus 3 plus 3 by 8 t square. Similarly, for y component, ay is dvy by dt. Therefrom I can write integration dvy from uy to vy is equal to integration 0 to t minus 1 minus 3 by 4t dt, or vy minus uy is equal to minus 1 into t minus 3 by 4t square, or that is vy is equal to, now uy is 4, so it is 4 minus t minus 3 by 8 t square. So if I put at t equal to 4 seconds, we have Vx at t equal to 4, it is minus 3 plus 3 by 8 into 4 square, that is equal to, this is 16 by 8 to 6 minus 3 or 3 meter per second, and Vy at 4 second is 4 minus 4 minus 3 by 8 into 4 square, that is equal to minus 6 meter per second. So resultant speed at t equal to 4 seconds, we can write V to be equal to, it is x component of velocity is 3, it is 3 I cap minus 6 j cap. This is the velocity at t equal to 4 seconds. So now the change in kinetic energy is equal to work done. So to find The work done that to be equal to change in kinetic energy delta W is equal to delta K, that is half mv square minus half mu square, that is equal to half. Mass is given to be 1 kg. V square is 3 square plus 6 square minus u square is 3 square plus 4 square. So it is equal to half 9 plus 36 minus 9 minus 16, that is equal to 10 joule. So the correct answer is B.